Hey guys, want to remove a location in Google Maps? Let me show you a simple way on how to do it, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. So now let's begin. Now first off, start by opening Google Maps app on your mobile device and now find the location that you want to remove. You can use just the map just by zooming in or zooming out. Or you can use the search field at the top. So just give it a tap to open this description menu about the location that you want to remove. Now swipe it up to open it in the full view, and now scroll to the right until you see the edit option. So just give it a tap, and from here choose the place is closed or not here option at the bottom. Now here you would have to provide a reason. For example, not open to the public. Simply choose it, and then you can add some photos optionally to actually strengthen your proof. So you can click submit at the bottom right, and then that's pretty much it. Now Google will review your request and either approve it or not. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.